Certainly. Here are descriptions of the 10 most famous places to visit in Spain. 1. La Sagrada Familia, Barcelona. This iconic basilica, designed by the famous architect Antoni Gaudí, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its unique, intricate design and towering spires dominate Barcelona's skyline. Construction began in 1882 and continues today, making it one of the longest ongoing construction projects in the world. 2. The Alhambra, Granada. A stunning palace and fortress complex, the Alhambra is a masterpiece of Moorish architecture. Nestled against the backdrop of the Sierra Nevada mountains, it features intricate tilework, lush gardens, and panoramic views of Granada. 3. Park Güell, Barcelona. Another of Gaudí's masterpieces, this public park showcases his whimsical architectural style with colorful mosaics, winding pathways, and playful sculptures. It offers fantastic views of the city and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 4. La Rambla, Barcelona. A bustling street in the heart of Barcelona, La Rambla is famous for its lively atmosphere, street performers, markets, and cafes. It's a great place to experience the vibrant culture and energy of the city. 5. Plaza Mayor, Madrid. Located in the center of Spain's capital, this grand square is surrounded by beautiful 17th century buildings. It's a popular spot for both tourists and locals, with numerous cafes and shops, and it hosts many public events and festivals. 6. The Prado Museum, Madrid. One of the world's premier art museums, the Prado is home to an extensive collection of European art, including works by Velázquez, Goya, and El Greco. It offers a deep dive into Spain's rich artistic heritage. 7. The Guggenheim Museum, Bilbao. Known for its striking contemporary architecture by Frank Gehry, the Guggenheim is a modern art museum that has helped transform Bilbao into a cultural hotspot. The building itself is as much an attraction as the art it houses. 8. Seville Cathedral and the Giralda, Seville. The largest Gothic cathedral in the world, Seville Cathedral is an architectural marvel. It houses the tomb of Christopher Columbus. The Giralda, originally a minaret converted into a bell tower, offers stunning views of the city. Number 9. La Mezquita, Córdoba. A stunning example of Moorish architecture, La Mezquita is a mosque cathedral with a forest of red and white striped arches. It exemplifies the cultural and religious history of Spain, blending Islamic and Christian elements. 10. Ibiza. Known for its vibrant nightlife, beautiful beaches, and crystal clear waters, Ibiza is a top destination for partygoers and nature lovers alike. Beyond its clubs and bars, the island offers serene landscapes and historic sites like Dalt Vila, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These destinations provide a diverse glimpse into Spain's rich history, culture, and natural beauty, making it a fascinating country to explore.